Welcome everyone on a very sunny Sunday, where I am today driving behind my friend in his Focus RS, which isn't completely stuck, so I hope I will catch up with him. Oh, I love those rev matches. A perfect Sunday for fun like this. That thing goes so fast and is so loud. My Focus RS is completely stuck. Take it easy for the horses. Respect to my friend for having the same ID. That is so loud. Something in his exhaust is from Milltek, which I'm also planning to do, I am thinking of it. I mean, listen to that. That is way much louder than I expected. The Focus RS is stock already really loud, as you might hear. He is way much faster than I am. I thought he said his car was like around 410 horsepower. Well, my Focus RS is completely stock, as I already said, which is 350 horsepower. And he also has a stage 4 clutch. So I think when I'm going to drive in his car, which we'll do in a bit, then I think the clutch is really hard to do. Way much faster than I am, but he's also driving faster than I want to. Those pops are ridiculously loud. And away he is. What a crazy guy. There was a lot of black smoke coming out of his exhaust. How did he lose traction? Is he driving in drift mode or something? You can really swing this thing around in corners, so I have no idea how he did that. There's a ram coming behind me with a lot of speed. Okay, that actually scares me. I don't trust that guy. I don't know what this guy is doing. Listen to that. He also has a blow-off valve, which I really want in my car too. So you can really hear those turbos spooling around, which I think is really cool. This ram is really crazy. Goodbye, my friend. So we will actually compare a stock Focus RS to a tuned one, and I'm actually quite curious what it's like to drive. Oh man, we ran into these horses again. Ah, my bumper. And he's gone. Wow, that thing pulls a lot. I love those rev matches so much. The fun thing about what we're doing now is that I don't even have my suspension in sport mode. This is the regular suspension, which is quite crazy. Alright, so now driving in my friend's, his Focus RS. Hopefully I won't stall it. No, I won't. Oh, the blow-off valve. Okay, I'm driving a completely... Oh man. Oh, the clutch is so weird to feel. Okay, that's a lot louder. This thing goes so ridiculously fast. Let's go on a asphalted road. And now I'm really curious. Okay. Oh, the turbo. Let's see if I can rev match with this stage 4 clutch, which is, in my opinion, really heavy. Completely different car this is. The turbo build-up. Ah, those turbo noises. Take it easy with those speed bumps because this car is lowered by 25 millimeters, which is a lot. What a car. So hopefully I won't let it stall now. Oh, almost. So much quicker. I can see that my friend in my car can't even keep up with me. That noise. Completely different. Who doesn't love turbo sounds like that? So need to be quite careful. I want a blow off valve like this. Thanks to my friend. My friend drove 6.5 kilometers a liter in the 250 kilometers that he's driven. That's really what an RS wants. It's actually quite weird to see my car being driven by someone else in someone else's Focus RS. This thing is so much quicker than my car, which is stock. I can't stop saying it, but that turbo blow off and building up and spooling is really lovely. I can totally understand why people would tune this car, but I don't think it is still safe for me to do so. Oh, this scared me a bit. I really underestimated that speed bump. Luckily nothing happened, but still very scary. friend has also installed a short shifter in his car. Really nice to use, but I don't know if it is for daily usage a good idea. But you can really feel those gears are much better to shift with. One last time. This thing goes off so much quicker than my car. To be honest, I like it. But I don't think it will be perfect for me. I'm more the daily driver type of guy and not going to drag races or something else like that. I think my car is perfectly stock. I want to take a look at that short shifter blower valve, maybe the Milltek exhaust, but we'll see later. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like. See you guys in the next video.